Hi everyone. Video making is one of the most important aspects of online marketing. Not only do video making and live streaming can help you create professional connection with your audience, but they also provide you with it to track and measure your success. In this video, I will show you the importance of video making and live stream videos. And I will also provide you with the tips and tricks to help you get started for building a successful business. Video making and live stream are very essential components in this journey. So they can also be used for entertainment, providing various ways to engage and connect with the others. Finally, videos can also be used as a tool of learning. Also, people will gain new knowledge and skills with the help of videos. So there are a lot of benefits with the video making. And also, you can see while doing videos, you need to have stock footage, which means like photos or videos which are termed to be stock assets or stock footage. So, in terms of video making, whether it be through stock footage or live streaming, it is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it allows for creativity and self-expression. So, stock footage will really showcase the creativity of the images or videos and whether it is suitable or not. Secondly, it generally less expensive and other than other forms of media production. Thirdly, it can also be produced much faster than traditional media. The video maker has a great control over the final product whenever you use the stock footages in the live videos. Also, there are a lot of benefits in live streaming videos also. Like video making, stock footages and live streaming videos are become extremely popular over the past few years, right? So this is because they allow for the real-time interaction with the viewers, which can be extremely beneficial. For example, you can use videos to build following or generate income and promote products or services, and for other different use cases. You can also use videos to share information and educate others by promoting the videos in the YouTube or other social media platforms. Additionally, videos can be used to entertain viewers also. So, for doing these videos, I'm going to share you some of the tips to create engaging videos. So, in today's fast-paced world, people have short attention spans than ever before. So they are spending very little period of time in the videos, right? So that's why it is very important to keep your videos under 5 minutes. In addition to being short, your videos must also be engaging. Use humor to tell stories and be personalized to keep visitors engaged. Finally, use visuals to appeal the viewers. People are more likely to watch and remember a video which is visually appealing, right? Choose topics which are relevant to your audience to ensure that your videos will be watched and remembered. So let me tell you some of the other best practices for while doing live streaming videos. There are many benefits to live streaming videos, including the ability to connect with the larger audience, build a community, and increasing engagement as the videos. But when planning a live stream, it is very important to determine the purpose of the stream. Who is your exact target audience? And what the content will be more engaging to them. Preparation is a key for the live stream videos and also includes creating a script or outline of what you will cover, gathering any props or visuals whichever to be used, and testing your equipment to ensure everything is working properly. Engagement is one of the most important aspects of a successful live stream. There are several ways to increase engagement, including interacting with viewers in the chat, encouraging viewers by asking questions, right? And also offering exciting giveaways, prizes. As you see, like people are keeping giveaways or prizes for by asking any certain questions or parts which will increase the engagement of audience, right? So live streaming videos can be a great way to connect with the larger audience, build a community, and increasing engagement. By taking the time to plan and prepare to your live stream, you can assure that the stream will be successful. Now let us see like what are the essential tools of video making, right? So without tools you can't able to do video. So if you are thinking about getting into video making, whether it's for YouTube videos or vlogs or even home movies, etc., so you are going to need some kind of equipment at very least. So the most important things in terms of video making are like video camera. You need to have a good camera, you need to have a good tripod and microphone. So these are the three most important things. So in terms of video editing, you can use Wave Video, which is one of the best video editing tool, which will be helpful to become successful in your video making journey. In terms of camera, you can use Sony Cam. In terms of microphone, you can use Blue Yeti mic or any Boya mic, which is relevant to your budget. And in terms of video making tool, video editing tool, you can use Wave Video platform, which is one of the best video editing tool. So now let us see like what are the challenges in video making. Video making can be a time consuming process, especially if you don't have any clear plan or vision for your project. Creativity and engagement users. If you are not interested in the topic, your viewers won't be either, right? In addition to being creative, you also need to have some technical skills to make a high quality video. For example, you need to know how to use the video camera or how to use the editing software. So these are the things you need to learn in terms of video making.